Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox games. Roblox is an incredibly popular platform where millions of users create and share their own games, offering a vast universe of experiences. To get started, you'll need to create a free account and download the Roblox application. It's available on a wide range of devices, from personal computers and mobile phones to various gaming consoles, making it accessible for nearly everyone. Let's dive into the simple steps to begin your adventure. First things first, you'll need to create your free Roblox account. Head over to the official Roblox website and sign up by providing your birth date, choosing a unique username, and setting a secure password. Once your account is ready, you'll be prompted to download the Roblox Player application. This small download, usually around 7 megabytes, is essential for launching and playing any game on the platform. It's a quick and easy process. With your account set up and the application installed, you're ready to explore. Log into the Roblox application or the website. You'll find an extensive library of games, easily browsable by category, genre, or through a direct search. When a game catches your eye, simply click on its icon to visit its dedicated details page. From there, a prominent green play button will launch you directly into the game world. It's that simple to jump into the action. Once you're in a game, the controls are generally intuitive. On personal computers, most games use standard keyboard and mouse inputs for movement and actions. Mobile users will find responsive touchscreen controls, while console players will use their familiar gamepads. Many experiences also include helpful in-game tutorials to guide you through their unique mechanics and objectives. Remember to explore and have fun. There are countless adventures awaiting you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.